Hey guys, Cody here with Import Image Racing. We just got done with the HKS high power single on the 2022 BRZ, and a lot of you guys requested to see the Remark Quad tip. So today we have the Remark Quad tip exhaust. You guys already know how to take the exhaust off this thing. If not, we have two other videos pretty much showing you how to do that. So I'm gonna do a quick time lapse. We're gonna pull this HKS out of there, install this bad boy, and get to it. Whoa! Whoa! This is a pretty nice looking exhaust. I went ahead and connected both mufflers together, make it a little bit easier to install, less hassle once it's in the car. But obviously you have this mid pipe with no resonator, which is nice. It's going to give us more sound, and hopefully those mufflers are going to keep it from being raspy and give us a nice deeper sound. So for the price of this exhaust, I feel like we're getting a good value here. It looks nice, it's pretty light. The welds look good. Let's get this thing installed and see how it sounds.
Everyone actually cringes when Cody slides the exhaust in the ground. Yeah.
Oh! Alright guys, the Remark Quad tip is installed. It looks great. The only complaint I might see some of you guys having is the gap here. So the factory exhausts are obviously, you know, a single tip, so they're really big and round and fill the whole thing. And with this quad tip, you know, it's a little awkward. They do fit in there. They're just about touching on this side, but they do fit in there. I think the big problem is just that gap right there above them. However, you know, once the car is on the ground, you're not really going to notice that, so we'll drop it and you can take a look.